If you want to hard reset your Realme GT 8 Pro by using the recovery mode, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna turn off our phone. I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go, so we can open the power menu and we're gonna slide it down in here. We need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. And after that, we're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down button. But once you see the Realme logo, you can just hold volume down. So first, power and volume down, and just keep holding these two buttons. And then once you feel the vibration or see the Realme logo, just let go of the power button and keep holding volume down. There we go. Now once we open the recovery mode, we should be able to, for example, tap on the English option. And of course, in here we can choose format data. You need to enter the verification code that we have over here in order to continue, but that should be pretty much it. In case you go back to the main menu of recovery mode, you can just simply reboot the phone over here. And that's pretty much it. And you're gonna go back to the normal mode and you will have the initial configuration again. Subscribe to my channel.